Hi, I'm Doug Dunbar with Brocade here in Salt Lake City for SuperComputing 2012. We got some awesome demos at our booth here, and we also got some of our big-time customers. Let's head on into the Salt Palace Convention Center and see what type of trouble I can get myself into. SuperComputing 2012. Look at that. Big Brocade banner. It's the show. Here we go. I'm here at the Brocade booth, and look who I found. Phil O'Reilly, VP of Sales for Ethernet Fabrics. Hey Phil, what are we doing different this year at SC12 as compared to last year at SC11?
So it's pretty exciting this year, Doug. Instead of showing just products like we did last year, we're able to demonstrate 5 complete solutions for big data problems for our customers. Not only does it demonstrate the richness of the portfolio, but it also exhibits how Ethernet fabrics solve problems in big data and how Brocade has partnered with the best of the best in the industry. Companies like IBM and Hive. It's been pretty exciting, and we've had some great turnout in the booth.
Here I am with Paul Lang, network engineer from NASA, just one of our small customers. Hey Paul, what are you guys doing here at SC12?
This year we're hoping to push 100 gigabit disk-to-disk between a pair of servers, one here in the NASA booth and one back at Greenbelt, Maryland.
That's terrific. The 100 gig file transfers, that's a very strong suit of Brocade. Can you talk a little bit about Brocade 100 gig?
Yes, at NASA Goddard we have an MLX E8 connected into the rest of our infrastructure.
Hi girls, how's the show going for you so far?
Lots of energy, it's really great. Lots of people, lots of brains.
Here we are at the Cisco booth. Whatever. I'm here with Eric Boyd, Deputy Technology Officer for Network Services at Internet 2. Hey Eric, how does Brocade MLXE and 100 gig help Internet 2?
Well, Internet 2's had a real opportunity to work with Brocade. We've deployed a 14-node MLX-based network, and we're really trying to push the boundaries in terms of creating a nationwide OpenFlow-based test bed on which researchers can connect universities around the country and around the globe. And thanks to our productive working relationship with Brocade, we really had the opportunity to build that advanced layer 2 network in an open and transparent fashion to serve the needs of researchers. It's really the first in the country, first in the world, and we're really delighted to have done it.
I'm here with Rosie Lee from Penguin Computing. Hey Rosie, how's your week going?
It's going great. It's been a great show. A huge fan of big data, but then again, who isn't?
Hey Pete, how big's the data up there?
Big.
Here I am with Randy Martin, Research Computing Manager at Clemson University. Hey Randy, how does Brocade help Clemson become the 11th ranked football team in the nation?
Well, Brocade may not help us win football games, but Brocade does help us get 100 gigabit connectivity to the Internet 2, and we really look forward to using your equipment.
Great, that's really good to hear. What type of other activities does MLXE and 100 gig enable your network to do?
Well, it will enable us to provide science DMZ on our campus, so we will be connecting lab instruments at 10 gigabit using the Brocade equipment.
Terrific, thanks for your time, Randy. Go Tigers. Really nice to the convention center. Let me park my car inside today.
The best way to look at Hadoop, it's actually a software architecture. And why it's important is, again, there's different variations. So what you'll always notice is, kind of like Linux, where there's different versions of it, Hadoop has the same thing. So what some of the customers, what IBM has done is develop their own version of Hadoop. They've hardened it and made it enterprise ready for their customers. And that's known as IBM Big Insights.
I'm here with Marcus at the Hadoop Solutions demo. Hey Marcus, what are we doing here?
So what we built here is a Hadoop cluster based on Brocade Ethernet Fabrics as the underlying network. We've done solution validation together with IBM and Big Insights, as well as with Hive, Synix, and Zetaset. And really the power of building a Hadoop cluster on Brocade Ethernet Fabrics is that you can scale as you go with no downtime, and you can scale to thousands of nodes and still keep everything at layer 2 without need to implementing layer 3. So we get very simple environment, very simple build out with no downtime, really the power of Ethernet Fabric.
I'm here with one of our customers, University of Tokyo, and here's Professor K. K, what can you tell me about Brocade?
Okay, we are the long customer of the Brocade switches and routers, and currently we have all the classes of the land speed record of internet using the Brocade switches. In our school, graduate school, the backbone switch is a Brocade. So I have, and even this booth, the main switch used to communicate to the University of Tokyo to Salt Lake City is a Brocade. and we are doing the long distance new algorithm of TCP experiment here. So that's a great product.
Here I am with Matt Davey with Indiana University. Hey Matt, since we last talked in April, how have you incorporated 100 gig into your backbone?
Well, we deployed the Brocade MLX switches in our high-performance computing clusters in Indianapolis and Bloomington, and we also used the Brocade MLX to light up a 100 gig connection between Indianapolis and Chicago to the Internet 2 network. So this week at SuperComputing, we're using that to do a demo of RDMA over Ethernet to do high-performance file transfers over the wide area at 40 gigabits per second with just a couple of servers.
Here I am with Jerry Lee, Solutions Architect of the 100 gig OpenFlow Solutions demo. Jerry and I have been spending a lot of time at this booth this week. Hey Jerry, how's your week been going?
That's pretty great. We have about like 20 to 30 demos every day.
These are the 100 gig SFPs and the 100 gig modules. If I click to the cluster status screen on the Big Insights cluster, we can see that we have a total of 10 nodes up and running and operational.
So we're able to scan a customer's barcode and provide them any presentation they would like on the products and have it basically delivered to their email within 5 seconds.
Brocade just acquired Viata. Viata does soft networking. So they do software-based routing and software-based switching. These are the routers that Luke Skywalker used to blow up the Death Star in Episode 2. Okay, yeah, you're right. It was Episode 4.
Thanks for following me around at SuperComputing 2012. Hope you enjoyed some of my conversations with our customers. Certainly a lot of big things going on with big data and 100 gig at Brocade. To learn more, please go to brocade.com.